All right, guys, check it out. SoFi stock is looking really good right now. It's about 12:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and we're pushing $8 per share. Earlier, we actually hit $8.10, and we're currently up over 20 cents, up almost 3% on the day. So we're going to break down SoFi, do an update on the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. So guys, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which guys, that's a no-brainer. So again, check out that link down below. And now let's dive right into the video. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in here. I appreciate all of your time as always. So again, SoFi is starting to build up some momentum here, up around 3% on the day. And earlier we were up around, 4.5%. So pretty big start to the Friday here, guys, wrapping up the week, which this week has been kind of rocky for SoFi. We started off at about $8.20, got down to $7.50. But the good thing is we're finishing off the week strong, right? We sold off a bit early in the week. We consolidated yesterday, the day before that, and now we're starting to pop off here on Friday, actually taking out the highs from Thursday and from Wednesday, and actually from Tuesday as well, now that I'm looking at it, which is a very good sign overall. So we're noticing we have a golden cross on this 5-day, 5-minute now. We're above the moving averages. That's very good news. And on this 10-day chart, we're breaking out above the 180 SMA, which is freaking huge, right? We were under these moving averages for a good couple of days. We had a death cross, which, by the way, we still do. But I think that will change here in due time. But now we're starting to pop out. You guys see that? We're breaking out of that moving average. That is signaling potentially more upside ahead here for the stock, right? So 30-minute looking pretty bullish. 20-day chart, we're also starting to break out of both moving averages. And once you pull the layers back even more, guys, it gets better and better, right? So you all remember, we covered this time and time again here on the channel. We talked about how SoFi pulled down from $8.50 to about $7.50, right? We saw that dollar pullback, which, by the way, I think that was a healthy pullback. You know, the stock's still up a lot month to date. It's looking pretty good, or at least it's up a lot off the lows from the 10th of September. We were up at 1.25%. We saw the pull down, and now we're up around still 17, 18%, looking really good. So at this point, guys, we have a cup and handle. You guys see that forming here, cup and handle on the 4-hour chart. If I zoom in, you can see it even better, right? You guys see that cup and handle, and we're getting the buying pressure where we want to get it, which is right by this 180 moving average on this 4-hour chart. You guys are noticing higher lows are being held there, which is exactly what we want to see. This is exactly what we want to see here, guys. And check this out. If I draw this trend line out right here, back in, when was this? July heading into August, we double topped at about $8 per share. One time right here. Let me zoom in and show you guys. One here, one here. You guys notice that? And now we're right back at that point. We're testing $8 per share right now. So this level is critical, which, by the way, we actually got to $8.10 earlier in the day. If we're able to break back out of there, retest that point, right, and start pushing past 810, that would show us a clear breakout out of those highs from July, and that's where the real momentum could start to build up, guys. So I'm loving the way we're looking here, wrapping up the week. The cup and handle's looking pretty juicy. We're starting to move up around 3% in the midst of a pretty rocky day for the markets. I mean, yes, the Dow's up 0.6, Russell's up 1%, pretty good, but NASDAQ is down about 0.4%. S&P is at break even. So yeah, I mean, this is looking great. And on top of that, we do have an ascending triangle as well on the 4-hour chart on SoFi. You guys see that pretty clear as day right here. So all signs are pointing to more upside. It's not guaranteed, obviously. Please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to go buy or do this or do that. Full disclosure, I do own Sofi myself. I'm in at about 7, or not 7. I keep saying the wrong numbers here, guys. You know where I'm in at. I've said it time and time again. $6.80. That's my average cost, roughly $6.80, right in that ballpark. And I'm thinking we're going higher here. I could be wrong, like I said, but look, all signs are pointing to a breakout. If we do take out 810, followed by 825, 850 could be next. That's a big spot. We hit that a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago, back in the end of April. Then if that were to break, boom, we could fill the gap up to about $9.25 to the mid-9s. And if that were to break, baby steps, guys, baby steps. But that's where things could get very, very interesting, in my personal opinion, right? So, yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at here on Sofi, guys. Let me set some alerts very, very quickly. Let me do this right now. I'll set one alert at, let's see, $8.15. And I'll do another one at, let's see, $8.25. Give me a second here, guys. And I might as well do another one while I'm at it. Why not? $8.50. There we go. So, yeah, I'm very excited. I'm in the stock, like I said, and it's gearing up, guys. It's gearing up, and we'll do another update maybe on Sunday as we get more price action here. It's only about 12:30 when I'm making this video, so by the time, the day wraps up, we'll get more, more price action. I'll do another update maybe on Sunday. We'll see how we're looking there. But yeah, guys, that's how we're looking right now in the midst of a pretty rocky day for the stock market, where we do have a lot of upside or a lot of green in other stocks. I've been getting a lot of comments about DJT, which I don't necessarily want to talk about right now, but we're going to cover it here. I'm going to wrap up this video in about a minute here, guys. But yeah, DJT's looking interesting. We have LVS, which is, breaking out continuously right now. We can see it's up around 5%. That's been gaining momentum as it does have a lot of exposure, in China. So we're seeing a lot of movement in LVS right now. Looks like JD is also moving up around 4%. Oh my God, this thing keeps on going. By the way, we covered this one in my email I sent out this past Monday. I think it was under $30 in that email. Now it's at $40. Again, sign up to the mailing list. It's free. Link down below. And let me see here. What else, guys? Alibaba's also moving. So a bunch of movement out there. And by the way, I think these Chinese stocks are going to pull back. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, for now, excuse me. Oh my God, I just burped. I hate doing that on camera, guys, but we're human, right? We're all human here. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Run the likes up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below, or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. Sign up to the Patreon as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.